Iran always surprises you. Iran is a land of wonders, a country where nature's artistry never ceases to amaze. Just when you think you've seen it all, it unveils yet another breathtaking spectacle. One such marvel is the mesmerizing Lake Howz-e Sultan, also known as the Salt Mirror of Iran, a hidden gem that leaves travelers, photographers, and adventurers in awe. A mirror between earth and sky, located about 40 kilometers north of Qom, along the main Tehran-Qom highway, this extraordinary lake is one of the most surreal sights in the world. Often mistaken for Bolivia's Salar de Uyuni, Lake Howz-e Sultan is a seasonal salt lake that, under the right conditions, transforms into a giant, perfect mirror reflecting the sky. This natural phenomenon occurs due to the shallow, highly saline water that spreads across the smooth salt crust, creating a flawless reflection of the heavens above. For nature photographers, this lake offers a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to capture ethereal landscapes where the boundaries between land and sky vanish. The best time to visit is after rainfall or in late autumn and winter, when a thin layer of water covers the lake's surface, creating the most vivid reflections. However, even in summer, the unique salt formations make for stunning, otherworldly scenery. Beyond photography, off-road enthusiasts and nature lovers find Lake Howz-e Sultan an exhilarating destination. The vast open salt flats provide an ideal terrain for off-roading, while the peaceful atmosphere makes it a fantastic spot for meditation and stargazing. The reflection happens. The magic of this mirror lake lies in its composition. The extremely high salinity of the water allows it to remain undisturbed, and the lake bed's smooth salt surface ensures a nearly perfect reflection. When a thin layer of water covers the lake, it acts as a vast, natural glass, mirroring the sky with breathtaking clarity. Although the lake's beauty is irresistible, visiting requires preparation. The terrain can be tricky, especially after rainfall, and a local guide is highly recommended to navigate safely. Proper gear, including off-road vehicles, protective clothing, and plenty of water, is essential. Since the area is remote, bringing supplies and informing someone of your travel plans is a must. Lake Howz-e Sultan remains one of Iran's best-kept secrets, offering an experience that rivals the world's most famous natural wonders. Whether you're a photographer searching for the perfect shot, an adventurer seeking new thrills, or simply a traveler looking to be mesmerized, this natural mirror will leave you spellbound. Iran always surprises you, and this magical salt lake is yet another reason why.